Hey, welcome to another What's in the Box. I got this cool book, Surfing Bird. Let's open it up and check it out.
To all the fearless dreamers, may you surf life's waves with courage and beliefs.
In Byron Bay, where waves did roar, a beast did lurk, a fearsome roar. Towering walls crashing with might, surfers trembled at the daunting sight. But a young bush turkey with a noble dream to ride the beast, a challenge unseen. His name was Grom. His goal was grand, to surf the biggest wave in the land. He practiced intently, never once giving in. Through bails and wipeouts, he kept trying again. Each turbulent tumble revealed something new, and slowly but surely, his confidence grew. Then came the day of his mighty feat, face to face with the menacing beast. His heart raced fast, his jaw fell slack. This was his moment, there was no turning back. Then came the day of his mighty feat, face to face with the menacing beast. His heart raced fast, his jaw fell slack. This was his moment, there was no turning back. The beast fought back, refusing to yield. Who is this bush turkey so expertly skilled? A duel between bird and mighty sea. There could only be one to claim victory. With a triumphant yell, Grom stood up tall. Though battered and weary, he'd reached the shore. Without fear or doubt, his spirit withstood. He'd realized his dream by believing he could. His example inspired many a soul to never lose faith in achieving their goal. Like our little Grom, and the lessons he learned, immortalized in the legend of the Surfin' Bird.
Go check out this artist. He is doing a Kickstarter with the old school skateboards with the handles where you stand up like back in the 50s. And you have a handlebars and you stand up and you kick. Super cool. Maybe I can get one of those skateboards to show on my channel and to do a review. But yeah, check out this book. I'll make this information down below in the description. And yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. And grab yourself a skateboard and pick yourself up a book. All right, peace.